In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove space in Constant Contact. If you've ever been frustrated by extra space or those annoying gaps in your Constant Contact emails, particularly around your images or between blocks, rest assured you're not alone. And the even better news is you're not stuck with them. Today, I'll guide you through the simple yet effective steps to remove or adjust them so your emails can look sleek and professional. Let's start with removing padding around images. Now, when you're in the editor and you hover over one of your images, you'll notice an Image Padding checkbox appearing. Generally, you'll find it in the bottom left corner or within the toolbar options. All you need to do is uncheck the padding box, and just like magic, the extra space around your image disappears. It's a really simple and quick fix, but one that a community member confirmed can make a big difference in cleaning up your email layout. This straightforward adjustment can be especially useful when you're looking to pare down all those unwanted spaces to create a neater presentation. It's ideal for when you want your messaging to shine without any distractions or interruptions from those pesky gaps. When your images and text align seamlessly, the email becomes much more visually appealing, which can also potentially increase engagement from your audience. Remember, keeping your emails looking neat can contribute positively to how your audience perceives your brand or message. It's all about creating that cohesive look. This task might seem minor, but it's a powerful tool in your email marketing arsenal. Not only does it tidy up your content, but it also enhances readability and effectively catches the eye of your readers. So, your message doesn't just stay on point, it visually communicates your professionalism and attention to detail. I hope you found this tip on removing spaces in Constant Contact emails helpful. Be sure to try it out next time you notice those extra spaces or feel like your emails need a little tidying up. And if you've got any lingering questions or tips of your own on perfecting email layouts, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!